usually start the day out with coffee, walking Lily, and before I go to the gym, which I try and do, like today I'm doing weights. I try and do weights about 3 days a week. It's my absolute favorite exercise to do. Nothing makes me feel better. I feel empowered, and it makes me feel just everything that's been in my mind just kind of out. So it's definitely a good release for me. But before I go to the gym, I always make an amino energy drink. So I drink this stuff, and what I do is I get 1 scoop, sometimes a little more if I'm feeling a little sluggish, but I'm okay this morning. So 1 scoop of the amino powder in my Lilac and Lilies bottle. I've been drinking this alkaline water. So I mix it with the alkaline water. I totally feel like I'm doing a cooking show. And then just twist it back on. Give it a little shake, and I will see you guys at the gym. I'm on my way to the gym, and the gym where I work out at is like nothing fancy. It's literally when you walk in, you feel like you're walking back in time to like 1982. But I kind of like it. There's not a lot of people, and I can superset if I want to, and just kind of zone out and really focus on my workout routine. My trainer, his name is Jay. He's awesome. He speaks a lot about like auto suggestion. So literally when you're like doing your set, he tells me to visualize how I want that muscle to be shaped. I really kind of like that approach, and there's a lot of positive affirmations like hanging on the wall. So it's definitely awesome, and I can get in there, work out, and get out, and continue on with my day. So we just got to the gym, and today I'm going to work on total body. I'm first going to do legs, which to me is the most important part, and then I'm going to do a little bit of upper body. Let me know what you guys think. Leave it under your comments, and hoping to give you all some tips. I'm going to do the Roman chair, which is great for the glutes and the quads, and then I'm going to do some hamstrings with the leg curl, and I do 4 sets of 8 for everything in a superset. And the ballerina squat is one of my favorites, but also one of my least favorites at the same time. It really gives our legs great definition, especially for me. I'm working on my legs because I'm going to St. Lucia next month, so I want a lot of definition, and here we go. Biceps and shoulders, doing 4 sets of 8 with very light weights. I do 10 pounds, and that's it. So last exercise in my arm routine is tricep extensions. So I'm going to do 3 sets of 12 for this one because I like to get a little extra burn at the end. Last and final exercise, I'm going to finish off with some obliques, and then I'm going to go home and make myself a protein shake. Darling. my trainer Jay, and Jay and I have been working out for about 12 years together. At least he's been seeing me for the past 12 years once a week, right?
Right, correct.
Yeah, and Jay has an awesome history of weightlifting because you got all these really cool trophies.
What I try to teach people is that this is a very misunderstood concept, because this is not weightlifting, it's cosmetic bodybuilding. Basically, to be honest with you, the only people that get the results in the gym are people that work out for looks, because then you focus on what you're doing, and the mind is the builder. So you have to focus on what you want, just like anything else in life.
Well, thank you, Jay. I appreciate you.
In a nutshell.
Yeah, in a nutshell. Thank you. Oof, I just got home from the gym and catching up with Lily and about to make my protein shake. I just use a little milk and some protein shake and gonna drink that bad boy and start my day at Lilac and Lily's. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, leave me your comments, and if you guys want me to do any videos, any particular topics, just leave it under the comments as well, and we'll see you soon. My drink. Wait, Jay. Ow, 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 ow. Lily, do you want to be in this video? Yeah.